Autel Robotics EVO Max for T8K drone, unparalleled autonomy and imaging for demanding missions. The Autel Robotics EVO Max for T8K drone is a cutting-edge aerial platform designed for professionals who require exceptional autonomy, advanced imaging capabilities, and robust performance in challenging environments. This drone is optimized for critical applications such as public safety, industrial inspection, and surveying, offering unparalleled situational awareness and data capture. Key features: advanced autonomy engine, combining traditional binocular vision systems with millimeter-wave radar technology. The EVO Max for T perceives objects down to 0.5 inches, eliminating blind spots and enabling operation in low light or rainy conditions. Autonomous pathfinding, generate real-time 3D flight paths through complex environments, mountains, forests, buildings, for rapid 3D scene reconstruction, public safety overwatch, industrial inspection, and land surveying. GPS-denied navigation, navigate within hardened structures, underground, or in environments without GPS using advanced sensor technology. Mission-ready payload, integrated wide-angle camera, zoom camera, thermal camera, and laser rangefinder for comprehensive data capture and critical decision-making. High-resolution 8K imaging, capture incredibly detailed images and videos with the drone's advanced 8K camera system. Thermal imaging with laser rangefinder, accurate distance measurements and thermal data acquisition for enhanced situational awareness and analysis. Smart Controller V3, intuitive control with a high-resolution display for seamless flight operations. Extended flight time, 42-minute flight time for extended missions. Long-range transmission, 20 km transmission range for expansive surveillance and operations. Accurate object identification and tracking, AI-powered target recognition and tracking for heat sources, people, and vehicles. Anti-jamming and anti-interference, advanced flight control modules and algorithms to counter RFI, EMI, and GPS spoofing. Mesh 1.0 networking, industry-first mesh networking for drone-to-drone autonomous communication and collaboration. Autel SkyLink 3.0 transmission, 6 antennas, for frequency bands, AES 256 encryption, and optional 4G integration for advanced flight capabilities. Real-time image quality, 1080p 60 fps real-time image transmission with less than 150 milliseconds latency. Weather-resistant design, foldable and ruggedized design for operation in diverse weather conditions. Specifications: camera, 8K high resolution, thermal imaging, wide angle, zoom. Laser rangefinder, integrated. Autonomy, Autel autonomy engine, autonomous pathfinding. Positioning, GPS-denied navigation. Transmission, Autel SkyLink 3.0, 20 km range. Flight time, 42 minutes. Networking, Mesh 1.0. Frequency bands, 900 MHz, 2.4 GHz, 5.2 GHz, 5.8 GHz. Applications: public safety, search and rescue, law enforcement. Industrial inspection, power lines, pipelines, infrastructure. Surveying and mapping. Emergency response. Defense and security. Environmental monitoring. Overall, the Autel Robotics EVO Max for T8K drone is a state-of-the-art aerial platform that pushes the boundaries of drone technology. Its advanced autonomy, comprehensive payload, and robust design make it an indispensable tool for professionals who demand the highest levels of performance and reliability in challenging environments.